Welcome back everyone, and today we have with us Roshi Diwakar, who recently got placed as Data Analyst in Gromor Finance. Congratulations, Roshi.
Thank you, ma'am.
So please tell us about yourself.
Sure. So my name is Roshi Diwakar and I'm from SUNY, Madhya Pradesh. I have done my graduation in BBA from GACC College Indore itself. For the past 2 years, I'm even working with Amazon. So yeah.
Okay, so why you decided to switch to the data field?
Okay, so in Amazon itself, my work was somehow related to data only. I was working with the data, customers' feedback data. Reason being, I want to switch in a full-time data field, and I have decided to pursue a data analyst certification course.
To pursue data analyst certification, what was your reason to choose IOTA Academy?
So I have searched the like what are the institutes who are offering the data analyst certification course in Indore. In every of the searches, IOTA Academy was my first preference. So I have decided to took the demo classes. Later, have joined the institute.
And how was your experience with IOTA?
It was actually good. The faculties here are absolutely amazing. The way they teach me every single tools are just like fabulous. So yeah, this can be a great experience.
So please tell us about your interview process. How did the interview go?
Okay, so firstly, I have shared my resume in the Gromor Finance. Later, I have received the assessment which I need to complete within the 24 hours of the receival. So, after completing the assessment, they have called me for the technical round and HR round. In the technical, there were tests and the HR round included as well. So, this was my all over interview process.
Were there any technical or domain specific questions that you remember from the interview?
They usually emphasize on the Python part. So NumPy and Pandas are some like I remember from my interview part, which was like the major question was from their part.
Okay, so how did you prepare for the interview?
For the interview process, I have referred all the PDFs which was shared from the faculty's end, and mock interviews was someone which have actually helped me to get into the process.
Was there any project specific project that helped you?
Yes, there are many projects which I have worked during my certification course, but stock project in the Python, I believe that was the major project which have helped me in my journey.
So, how did you keep yourself consistent during the preparation phase?
So during my preparation phase, I was even working. So I have prepared all my schedules and I have fixed time slots where I used to spend time to learn the things and tools and revise all the techniques which I have received from the faculties.
Was there any mock interview or any feedback that specifically helped you?
Okay, so yes, during my certification course, I have given almost 2 to 3 interviews in the institution. This have actually helped me in my real time interview as well. The feedback which I have received from the faculty and is that I need to focus a bit on my technical part more. So yeah, that was the feedback which I have received.
So, Roshi, now we will have a rapid fire question round where I will ask you some questions and you have to answer them in 5 seconds. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
3, 2, 1, go. First word that comes to your mind when you hear the word data:
IOTA,
dashboard or Excel sheet.
Power BI.
Favorite interview question ever.
Okay, what have you done in your projects?
Midnight snack during preparation time.
Would be kurkure or lace something.
One thing that you have Googled most during the preparation.
Openings in Indore.
If not data analyst, then what?
Would pursue the same, like want to pursue my career in the Amazon only.
Okay. Last reel you saved on Instagram.
It was regarding food recipe.
Okay. And what was your best memory at IOTA?
So during the placement course, there were many interactive activities. So that would be my core memory from the IOTA.
So, what would be your advice to the students who are right now preparing for the interviews?
So my advice would be a proper revision. Timely revision is very important during the course. So yeah, that would be something which every student should do from the starting onwards because it's a big 6 to 7 months journey. So revising past things is very important in every step. So this would be my. Yeah.
Was there a point where you felt low and how did you motivate yourself at that time?
I was giving many interviews from past 2 to 3 months. So Yes, my family and friends have supported me over the journey. Even the faculties have supported me more. This can be considered as my low time, but yes. So now I'm happy to be as a data analyst.
Thank you so much for coming, Roshi, and all the best for your new journey.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please subscribe IOTA Academy for more content. Thank you.